Guys, right behind me is our new project car. It is a wrecked BMW 135i. Let's go take a look at it. There it is, that is the 135i. For anyone who doesn't know, the motor in that car is a 3-litre twin turbo, forged internals. It's an N54 from BMW. It's a really, really good solid motor. Can make heaps of power. Can make actually as much power as the Audi has, but this car is a rear wheel drive, which is fun. And for anyone wondering, I've still got the Audi. That is not finished. We've got more things to do on that, but obviously other videos. I'll go through and show you everything that's wrong with this car right now. So on the passenger side here, you can see it's got some damage. This wheel is stuffed. Yeah, not good. Quarter panel, you can see that's been bent in. This side skirt looks okay, but we'll see. Obviously first we'll replace the quarter panel, see how that goes. We need to get in here and have a look at all the damage that's there, because that's going to be a fair bit. I don't know how fast they were going, but obviously they've hit a gutter or whatever on that wheel, and the car's gone around and whacked the back as well. Check this out. This wheel is also see you later, and even in there you can see the rim has been cracked. That is definitely some pretty big damage. But that is the main part of the damage, so it's a repairable write-off. Most of the suspension components at the front will have to be replaced, possibly something at the back. The exhaust, as you've seen, I think it was just the tip. We can fix that. Not too bad. What else is the bad point? Convertible, not sure if I like the convertible, but I can think of a few good points. One, if we wrap the car, it's less to wrap or paint. Two, it'd be pretty cool to have a car with as much power as the Audi and just have the roof off and be able to have that much power and fun. And I don't think there is a third. That's about it. I'll name this as another bad part as well. From the wreckers, they've put this paint on, or texture, and there was stuff all over the car which just came off easy with some polish and a rag. I've used clay bar, the polish, I got a little bit of petrol and just tried to get a bit off just on one small corner just to see how strong it was. Nothing can get it off. So that's a bad point. I'm gonna figure out how to get that off. Okay, more bad points. Here are all the faults with DSC, DBC, needs to set time and date, flat tire, start assistant, increased battery discharge. So all that stuff, most of this is actually pretty straightforward. I think once we fix up the wheel, we'll be able to fix all this stuff too. But some of the good things about this car: a great engine with only 57,000 Ks, 2 keys, and a cool light that doesn't work. A very dirty but straight interior. The major electronics work. It sounds good. Alright guys, that is the convertible down. It actually looks pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. But all I see right now looking at this is how much less wrapping I've got to do when we wrap this. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wrap it, because why not? It's good, could just rip it off when I don't want it, or change the color. Guys, that is pretty much the car as it is right now. Obviously we're gonna go through and fix this up, get it back on the road. I've wanted a 335 or a 135i for a while. I was looking at them at auctions and online and things like that. This is the one that popped up that had, like I said, you've seen, extremely low kilometers. It's in overall pretty good condition, especially once it's fixed, but I feel like it's going to drive really good, and it'll be nice to compare this with the Audi. Speaking of the Audi, I've ordered some exhaust parts for that car to get the exhaust right, because it's like the 5th video of me trying to fix that exhaust now. Yeah, we've got heaps more content on that coming up too. Let me know what you think about this, drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. One more thing for anyone that's interested. This is another bad part, which I only just noticed recently. This panel's been like scratched up, and there's a little dent here. So that's the inside. It's so weird that you can just get in like this.